How do you sell your home for the most money possible? Too many people fall into the trap of thinking that they don't need to put in any work at all, or that they need to spend an enormous amount of money to increase the value of their homes. The truth is that effort is necessary, but a little can go a long way. Hi, my name is Amanda Howard with Sotheby's International Realty, and I'm going to discuss with you the top 3 ways to sell your home for the most money. First, make a good first impression. The truth is that the first look can make or break your sale. Potential buyers have already judged your house before they walk in the door. And in today's market, they've even made judgments before that when they saw your photos online. Therefore, put in the work to get good, high-quality professional photos as well as improve your curb appeal. Secondly, display the value of your space. Start by decluttering your home. Potential buyers don't want to see your photos and knickknacks, but they do want to see that there's plenty of room to store their things, their photos and knickknacks. For example, clearing out some of your closets can make a big difference. Also, consider professional staging and high-quality lighting, since they help showcase the great parts of your home. Third, work with a trusted realtor. Who you work with matters. Unfortunately, many people just work with that first agent that they talk to. You need to work with an experienced professional with a top-notch marketing plan who is great at negotiations and can help you understand the current market to get the most money possible. Now, let's recap. You need to ensure you make a good first impression. You need to display the value of your space, and you need to work with a trusted realtor. If you are ready to get your home on the market, my team of agents that I have personally trained are ready and able to help you today. Give us a call at 256-799-9000, 256-799-9000, or visit our website at amandahoward.com. And before you go, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel, where I will be sharing more insider real estate tips. And until next time, keep dreaming big, exploring new horizons, and finding that perfect place to call home. I will see you soon.